So in the afternoon, this is the afternoon time. I'm out for some shopping to buy some grocery again. You can see it's empty, but I have come out to buy some grocery. So hot sunny day, traffic is 30%. The traffic. So you see heavy traffic, heavy, like 30% traffic. Seems lockdown is over. People are now started coming out. They don't want to listen. So now I'm seeing the laborers. They are all, I can see the labor family. Before they were not there, but now I can see they are sleeping. You see, they are sleeping.
बस गया इधर हम लोग की मत तो राजस्थान रहते हैं हम लोग, हमको गांव जाने का है।
तो आप लोग यहाँ पर अभी कब से हो?
40 आदमी है, 40 छोटा बच्चा होंगे।
40?
गांव पहुँचने का हम लोग को। ओ भाई जी, हमको राजस्थान जाने का है, छोटा बच्चा है, हम बहुत तकलीफ में हैं, हमको गांव पहुँचा दो।
So you see the laborers gathered here. They are sleeping. They are sleeping under the flyover. They wanted to go their home. कुठून आले तुम्ही? कुठून आले? हां? हिंदी? हिंदी? कुठून आले? इथे काय है? इधर क्यों है? हाँ. तो अभी गांव जा रहे हो? लॉन्ग. तो अभी इधर ही रहोगे? गांव नहीं जाने का है?
गांव जाने का
अच्छा.
है, गांव जाने का मदद करो भाई जी।
ठीक है. So I can see today many people gathered on the road. They are all sitting waiting for something. They have their bags. See, I'll move. As you can see, before it was never be like this crowded. Today I'm seeing youth, many boys, youngsters at age group of 20-25 are all gathered. All are here. They must be waiting for some transport to go to their place. What for they are waiting? Some are saying they wanted to go to their places. Now it doesn't look like
Some instructions were they have to follow to go to out of Mumbai. So for that formalities, all the people have gathered here. I came to know. So they have to register online
I've come to withdraw some amount. I have not pressed enter, so my transaction got cancelled. I'm trying for second time. So one thing, I am switching this off because you have to very careful while operating the ATM. So I have taken my cash. So I'm going by this elevator, which is not working at present. Normal है? So you can see the vegetables. Vegetables not fresh. So I have taken bath. I went to buy some groceries, and I'll show the rush on the road, and the laborers who wanted to go back to their hometowns. They gathered near the police station because they have to fulfill certain formalities. So it was a heavy rush there, and it's a sunny day. So guys, you have to take bath after coming, and you have to sanitize also. I have my sanitizer. First I sanitize it, and then I have taken a bath. This is my second time bath in a day. So I have these two sanitizer. So the shopkeeper has said this is the new one I have bought, and the previous one which I had, this, he said the previous one is the original one. This is, I don't know, the duplicate of what he has given. It cost me around 125, but he has not given me the bill. 150 I suppose, and he has not given me the bill. I asked him for the bill, but he said ki this is not medicine, so we don't give the bill. So today I bought this much of grocery, and this is the only oil available there. This is all veggies. I bought spinach, cucumber, onion, potato, coriander, and flour. So veggies I will show you after. This is all I have bought for 1,500 bucks. So this is the rice I'm cooking. I put one egg. So besides the government policies, you have to take care of yourself. Try to take the vitamin C medication, vitamin A, B12, vitamin C, and eat as much as garlic, ginger, and all the masalas, and green veggies take as much as, and eat lot of water. So okay, I'll meet